What's up, guys? First ride on the XMR700 transmission gears. So this thing now has an 18% gear reduction. Full video on that installation and the number calculations, links to those videos in the description. Machine performed great. I think this XMR700 is an outstanding platform. The 850 and the 1000 are probably going to be overkill. Got to test them and do the science, but I'm always going to love the XMR700. I might come back to one after the 850 because this thing just rips. Extremely reliable, extremely comfortable, and it turns tires better than any other ATV. Today I'm out testing the gear reduction in the XMR700. So it's got about an 18% gear reduction compared to factory. I've got it on 33-inch Aztecs on 18-inch wheels, pretty wide offset. The thing's a monster right now, and it trail rides awesome. It feels like a stock machine. Up. Oh, that's cold. Look how clean it is though. All right, so it's the middle of December. It's raining, and I'm out here playing in the water without waders. So far, the XMR1000 gears are excellent. It lights up the tires better in low range. High range is more rideable. I think if you're gonna put a 32 or bigger on one of these, throwing in those XMR1000 gears is an absolute must. That is awesome gearing. Two-wheel drive, no problem. Gosh! Do you really need the 850? No, absolutely not. This is enough power to do anything. But do you want the 850? Yeah, you want it. Let's do some wheelies. Man, that gearing feels good. So much control. Woo! Look how jiggly the mud is. So absolutely zero hesitation, zero belt slip. That's some pretty thick shit, guys, and it's tearing right through it. That Visco lock sounds terrible though. I'm like, it doesn't feel right. Yeah, no shit, that was high range. It still was lighting them up in high range. There we go. Oh, that was cold. Woo! Woo! That's how I like to clean her off. All right, so now the differential is locked. This thing eats, man. It's geared so well. The more I go through this, the thicker it's getting. So now we're gonna hit it with a little bit of speed. What a machine! Yeah, the gearing is really good. Woo-hoo-hoo! This little single cylinder puts out some serious torque. Let's try this little hole. Kind of a steep climb out. Diff lock engaged. Oh guys, I might have got her stuck. We might have got her stuck, boys. Yep. So I did roll into this really slow, but yeah, definitely stuck it. Well, that hole's good. Next, excellent. Okay, winch out. Let's see if we can get out of this. Of course, I am mudding by myself because literally no one else is out here this weekend, which is crazy. Oh, fuck! Well, trying to stay kind of clean. Good! That was predictable. That's why I generally don't like to have it pulled out by trucks. Now we're in business. Checking out some new trails Greg told me about. Haven't done these in years. Let's try this way. Lily pads are always a good sign. Man, it doesn't even notice these 33s anymore. Kind of cold. Open throttle, that's how you clean this sucker. Woo, that thing is bad. Hate to say it, but no Honda's gonna do that. You never get that much wheel speed. That is one thing a CVT is really good for, is wheel speed. Let's go back through here. Man, it eats on these 33s.